Hey everyone, we're here with the godfather of 3D, the man who was there at the very beginning of when 3D got going, but he's more than that. Kike Zomanzini is an ambassador to the hobby. He's been all over the world. I've seen him interact with young and old alike who are equally enthused about the hobby. And so to me, that's what I see when I see Kike. But today, we're here to talk about Flex Innovations and what that means to me. We're talking about a lot of the things that mean things to me, but it's taking all of your knowledge and your experience and the things that you know work and putting them into the product line that we're standing among right now.
Yeah, it's correct. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Yeah, it's true. I've been there since the beginning with 3D. As you've seen, I'm already an old man for many years doing this, and we start Flex Innovations with David, 3 years ago. David and I working together on this project we call Flex Innovations, and trying to bring all our experience from different areas, and that we have, trying to put together the best product we can bring to the market, and in all regards, as far as quality, as far as innovations, the electronics. We have Joe, also our engineer, working on the electronics and the Aura, which is also a big role in what we're doing. So our commitment is with the modelers and with the industry, is try to do the best we can. And as you say, use our experience as a modelers and also our experience in the industry to try to bring products that are, are different and try to bring the standards a little bit higher. Today we have many companies in the industry doing really good stuff, so we also want to do good stuff, and that's what is Flex Innovation about. It's trying to do, basically a group of modelers trying to do the best we can for you guys, the modelers out there.
And the thing I know that, being on Flying Giants and RC groups, is they know that when you bring out an airplane, it's going to fly great, and so that's for someone who's going to lay their hard-earned money down on something for fun. Going in with that assurance that it's an awesome flying airplane just because they know you're behind it is a great thing. And
yeah, that's what we try. We believe the core of a product, especially an aircraft, it needs to fly well. So that's the number one thing, is performance. Then we will follow up with the financial part. It needs to make sense. You can't bring things that are out of place as far as price goes. So we try to be there also with good price, and also back it up with a really good quality. But I agree with you, the core is flying well, and that's what we try. In today's world, you have to count, it's a combination of several things. You have the airframe, you have the aerodynamics, and you have the electronics now.
Right.
So they are all working together, and that's what we're doing at Flex Innovations. We're trying to put a package of everything together where it delivers the performance that we all want and that all the consumers are looking for.
And I don't want to jump too far off on this tangent, but one of the other things that is loaded up in every one of these planes is your stabilization gyro technology. And I think a few years ago that was an issue for some people, but I think as each year progresses, we realize how much it helps and makes the flying more enjoyable.
Correct. That is our vision, was that we saw in the market a little bit of hole, and also in the market is, in the hobby, what can we do to take our hobby to the next level? And this is with a mindset of enjoyment, and what can we make it more fun, what people can improve, and having more fun out there in the field. Me coming from competition, very set mind about competitions. We have regulations competition that will not allow the use of gyros. But this is a different stage. So for me, I really want, and we all want to take the hobby to the next level. And we're seeing this every day, where the guy can go and fly, no matter how the wind is, how bumpy it's out there, he's just having a lot of fun. So before, we had examples of people, couldn't do a 9-inch pass over the runway. Now they can do it. and many other things. And always, in that specific topic, our idea is all about the pilot. So don't get confused about there's different gyros and different flight controllers ideas in the market today. For us, it's all about the pilot. So we don't have heading hold. So the plane will not hold that position where we left it. You're still in control, but it just will make your flight a lot smoother. You will enjoy more flying the airplane. You will handle better the wind, and just the plane will feel like it's flying the best tuned airplane you ever flown.
Right.
So when you combine that with the good airframes and all the knowledge we have and experience we have, you have the product that we are bringing today to the market that we believe is a very solid.
And on that note, let's talk about this product you're bringing to the market.
Well, this is our dear Mamba 10. This is the Mamba 10. You guys, pick it out here. You can see a little bit of the size. This is on the class, the same battery as the Extra 300. It's running on 22 3S battery pack. Which is a very, very popular battery pack, and we really want to do an airplane of this size. Some important things on this airplane, besides the battery, also includes, I'm going to turn it, I don't know if that's okay with the camera, so I'm going to turn it around, and this is a plane that has been flown for many, many flights. It's one of my planes that I use for test, so basically that's where the Aura will be. One of the good things with this system that we have, with the Aura 8, we have a configuration out of the box that will deliver 3 flight modes. Flight modes is, one is a 3D flight mode, the other one is a sport to fly high speed, and the other one is gyro off. But what is new with the Mamba is, without the use of a computer, just unplugging the plug here on number 3 and putting a bind plug, you power up the airplane and the radio, and the light, it will do, the green light will do flashing, which it means flight mode in a position for stock setup, and you flip the position, switch the flight mode to 3D position, and the green light will come constant, no flashing, and that means you're switching the package of the 3 flight modes now to become a high-speed 3D for tumbling, or precision, or slow 3D flying, where the gains are very, very high. So that's something new we have that you can do, and it's very, very handy. Also on the Mamba 10, we have 4 servos on the aileron,
okay.
Which is, I think it's the only biplane in this class out there having the 4 servos. What it does, well, it gives you a lot of control. This thing can roll like you would not believe how fast it can roll, but also you can do features like, crawling, for short takeoff and landing, and having just like the big Mamba. And we're still having, I will put it back here on the table. The battery access, very generous battery compartment, and plywood substructure like we have on the others, like the Extra 300. So out of the box, so people always like to see how it comes out of the box. The wings are one-piece wing, so you go like a bottom wing, top wing, and interplane struts. That's how it works. And then 2 half staffs. So it takes literally, 20 minutes to have it ready to go. So that's our Mamba 10. The good news is they are on the water. I just came back from China from a trip, checking everything, spent a few days there. The planes are on the water, so it should be arriving here by the end of, beginning of the first week of May, more or less. That's what we're targeting, if everything goes perfect. So, which I expect. So we have, it runs for $309 and includes the Aura 8, which by the Aura 8 itself is $99. So you're getting a really, really good deal with this airplane. We had 2 colors. We have the green that you see here, and also we have the black and red, as most people know about. So we're very excited about this airplane, and we expect guys, owning the Extra 300, looking for the next one, and also I expect people coming because it's a biplane. Biplane is always very special.
Right.
And this one, it just flies. I'm very pleased. We are all very pleased how this airplane performs.
And the real trick is making a biplane really fly well. So
yeah, it's a very challenging. Probably Jason knows it's a very challenging size to do it right. You know, with a 3S, and get it fly right, get it fly precise, minimum coupling, and the right wing loading, and have enough power. So it's a very tricky size to do, but we are very pleased. Also, we offer, for those that want more power, we have a power plant developed for it, so a different motor KV, and also we recommend a propeller for it, that we have more punch if somebody's looking for.
awesome.
So this is about the Mamba, and then we have the new Yak 54. This is totally brand new. The only thing we have from the past when I was doing QQ Aircraft Company is the color scheme. The idea is to bring the classic back. You know, the Yak 54 is very tied to the past, and I say, okay, we're going to do it. We're just going to, go for the classic scheme. But the design itself, it has a lot of innovations in the design itself. We have, like the ailerons, the counterbalance, all this area. It will move. There's a counterbalance with the aileron. What it does, you can be going at walking speed here and then put aileron input, and it will roll at really good speed. Especially when you're doing like a hair roll circles and you go downwind, it will keep up really well the speed. So then we have as all our airplanes, the shark tooth here, so to improve all the stability and carrier maneuvering. Inside is a hatch latch in the canopy. This one there. And this one right here is set up for electric. So we have electric, and we have recommended D835 for it. So as you've seen, it's a very light airplane. It's thought to be as light as possible. This tray, excuse me. So it comes with two trays. As you see here, that tray is for the battery. You see those screws. You can remove that. And then this is the tray for the gas version. So choke, throttle, battery, and then here the gas tank. So you can work outside in the bench with this, and then you install it in the airplane. Or you can convert back and forth very, very easy. It comes with a box adapter, so you can install our new motor also. It's a Potenza 200. It's a beautiful motor. As it looks and it runs the same way. It's an outstanding motor. It has a lot of power, really good performance. It's a 20 poles motor, and beautiful. So we have in this case we have this on the airplane. And as I was saying, that between the electric and the gas, you can convert, go back and forth very easy. We have very attractive combos for different prices that we build up. The airplane itself, the airframe is $399.99, very good price. And then we have combos, the D835 with the muffler, the servos, the Aura, all the servo arms, and you can be saving around $340. This is not only for the show, this is on our website. Today in the show, what you're saving is your shipping, which is $99 across the country. Then we have the electric version with the Potenza 200, the Caso Creation 80 amp speed controller, our Potenza servos and the Aura, and you're saving around $326. And we have another combo, the airplane and the servos and the Aura, and saving around $252. We have everything in stock. We have it here at Toledo, and of course on our website, ready to ship.
You're doing it right, man. You've got it all here.
Yes, everything is here.
Awesome.
Everything is here. So then, of course, we still having the Mamba, the Cessna, the Extra 300, and we have several airplanes coming up. We're working very hard trying to get Flex Innovations a little bit higher. We expect during this year we should have around release another 3 aircraft coming up. So
if you're watching this and you want to learn more about Flex Innovations and see these new aircraft as they come out, go to flexinnovations.com. and check out whatever Kike and David are putting out there, because it's always good stuff.
All right.
Kike, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for supporting RC Groups and Flying Tides.
All right. Thank you, guys.